Welcome back to the channel. This video is all about bikes. The performance bike segment 200 to 400cc in India is growing substantially thanks to the performance loving passion-filled youth in the country. There is also a rapid increase in the demand for superbikes and sports bikes among high revving bike enthusiasts. The superbikes and sports bikes are usually equipped with an engine of 1000cc or above. So if speedy riding on a true performing machine is your dream, we have listed the top 6 fastest bikes in India. In number 1 is Kawasaki Ninja H2. This is one of the most violent bikes that we have in India. With the Ninja H2, the Japanese bike giant Kawasaki took performance to a whole different level. This 998cc inclined 4 supercharged engine of Kawasaki Ninja H2 screams a powerful 197 bhp at 11,000 rpm and a peppy torque value of 156 Nm at 10,500 rpm. The bullet-fast Ninja H2 is claimed to hit a top speed range of 331 to 400 km per hour. And number 2 is BMW S1000RR. One of the most expensive and aggressive looking BMW superbike from the BMW Motorrad stable. It's also the fastest. The S1000RR 900cc inclined 4-cylinder motor makes a chilling 193 bhp of maximum power at 13,500 rpm alongside 113 Nm of torque. And number 3 is Ducati Pinnacle V4. The Italian superbike maker Ducati hits the right chord in the superbike segment with Pinnacle V4. The bike has got everything a superbiker would ask for, right from excellent throttle response to best-in-class 0 to 100 kmph and fascinating features. At 10,500 rpm, the global favorite of the performance bike fanatics is capable of reaching the 300 kmph top speed mark. The Ducati Pinnacle V4 draws power from its 1103cc V4 engine that grunts a sizable 211 bhp of power at 13,000 rpm and 124 Nm of apex torque at 10,000 rpm. Number 4 is Suzuki Hayabusa. This superbike created massive curiosity among superbike lovers in the country. It has got brute power, upright response and 3 different riding modes for different conditions and moods. Hayabusa's mammoth 1340cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine erupts out 197 bhp of max power at 9,500 rpm and 155 Nm of high torque at 7,200 rpm. In number 5 of the list is MV Agusta F4RR. A true modern classic, MV Agusta F4 features solid steel tubular trellis frame, single-sided aluminum swing arm for better control at speeds. It gets lightweight construction that makes it weigh merely 119 kg. The powerful bike with top speed of 298 kmph carries numerous class-leading attributes like diamond-shaped headlamp, power adjust all-in suspension alongside patent 4-pipe exhaust system. The authoritative 998cc inclined 4-cylinder engine yields a staggering 201 HP and 111 Nm of power and torque respectively. Last but not least is Aprilia RS V4 RF. The ultimate hardcore track avatar of the Aprilia RS V4 RF is a limited edition track-oriented model of the Italian superbike. It features Aprilia's latest version of its race-developed APRC system. The advanced electronic mechanism elements include full ride-by-wire, electronic engine management system, multi-map, etc. Ride mode settings comprise of sport, track, and race. Aprilia RS V4 RR's hard revving engine is capable of producing 198.2 bhp and 115 Nm of high value power and torque, mated to a 6-speed cassette type gearbox. That's it for today. If you love sports bike and sports cars, subscribe to my channel for more specification on cars and bikes.